Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? You, the people, know my love for America's favorite luncheon meat, Spam. If you love Spam as much as I do, you can make anything and everything with Spam. Like a chorizo Spam and egg breakfast scramble, biscuits and Spam gravy, Spam Hawaiian pizza, teriyaki Spam fried rice, turkey Spam Thanksgiving dinner, Korean barbecue Spam street toast, cheesecake pumpkin spice Spam pumpkin pie, cracked Spam macadamia nut cookies, and of course, when you love Spam as much as I do, you have to make homemade Spam. So Spam is not only a food, it's an addiction. So when I found Hereford's Rippin' Ready Beef Luncheon Loaf, I was super intrigued and had to try it. Although it's not made by Hormel and it's not called Spam, whenever I see Luncheon Loaf, whether it's pork or beef, I think of Spam. And I do not believe I've ever seen a beef luncheon loaf. This 3.5 ounce package of Hereford Rippin' Ready Beef Luncheon Loaf only cost $1.24. Here's the list of ingredients, and thankfully, the beef is beef, not a formerly slurred concoction. But also, there's MSG in this, so you know it's gonna be good. There's two 1.75 ounce servings per package. Each serving has 90 calories, 4 grams of total fat, 2 grams of saturated fat, no trans fat, 20 milligrams of cholesterol, 410 milligrams of sodium, 6 grams of carbohydrates, no fiber, 1 gram of sugars, and 8 grams of protein. So realistically, this is going to be one serving for most people. So just double the numbers. So let's get our Hereford Rippin' Ready Beef Luncheon Loaf out of the package. Now that certainly looks and smells like a piece of Spam. Let's cut off a little piece and see if it tastes like Spam. The texture is just like Spam, but the flavor is similar to a corned beef mixed with Spam. So let's make our first sandwich with the cold Spam. Starting off with some highly processed Wonder Bread and a good slathering of America's best mayonnaise, Duke's. Now for our piece of Hereford's Rippin' Ready Beef Luncheon Loaf. Look at that, it's perfect sandwich size. And from the shape of this luncheon loaf, I'm gonna guess that this went into the package in more of a liquid form and then was cooked in the package. Or the shape of the loaf changed when it was vacuum sealed. So we put the top on the sandwich, used our shank, and cut it in half. I wanted to add a good old slice of highly processed American cheese to the sandwich, but I didn't have any. Now that looks exactly like a Spam sandwich. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. As I was chewing, I could not stop smiling from ear to ear. This sandwich was way better than I expected it. It was delicious. I really wanted Verlissa to try it, but she's on a diet. So I took another bite. For her, the person, so she doesn't have to. And the second bite was just as good as the first bite. but for some reason, I wanted to add some pepper to the sandwich. I didn't do it in the video, but I did it to the other half of the sandwich after the video, and it was even better. A thinly sliced onion would also be fantastic on this. Now, some people like me like Spam right out of the can and uncooked, but other people love fried Spam. And even though this isn't Spam, we're treating it like Spam. So my frying pans were dirty, and of course I didn't feel like washing any because I'm lazy. So we threw it into the air fryer for about 8 minutes, which should give you about the same texture as frying. And then once again, we slathered Duke's mayonnaise on top of a couple pieces of highly processed Wonder Bread. And then added our Hereford Rip and Ready beef luncheon loaf. And once again, it fits the bread perfectly. So we shank sliced our sandwich. And once again, it looks exactly like a delicious Spam sandwich. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. And once again, it was absolutely delicious. Delicious enough to where I needed to have one more bite. And although this isn't Spam, I'm treating it and acting like it's a Spam sandwich. In my personal opinion, I prefer Spam cold right out of the can over fried Spam. What do you, the people, like? Do you like fried Spam or Spam right out of the can? Let me know in the comments. Either way, I think Hereford's Rip and Ready beef luncheon loaf is a winner processed meat dinner, and I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.